So I ordered something off Amazon, and if you can read, you know what it is. A smart watch. Interesting name. Large screen heart rate bracelet. But it measures your steps, although it says it might do. Anyway, so time to open it. I hope the unboxing is worth it. I knew I should have bought scissors for this, so I did. Huh. Don't those anymore? Here it is. So I assume this is the charger, and this is the watch. Please charge before use. Please ensure to follow the content provided in the manual and download the corresponding app for connecting to use. Ah, here's the manual. Intelligent sports watch instructions. So I'm gonna peel this off. That looks nice. Sport heart rate waterproof smartwatch, made in China, like everything else. So I'm gonna put that one to the charger and the watch to one side. Put this to one side. And I'm gonna I might need this actually. Put the box to one side and why so many languages? I swear this is all languages. Yes, definitely languages. Yeah, pretty much mostly languages. Description of appearance. Interesting, so this is the watch, I guess. And spoken about the pre-installed app. Doesn't say what whatever that app may be. It also doesn't tell me it's in English, does it? Oh. Device linking. GloryFit is the app name. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but GloryFit. So I guess I should probably charge this up now. And I hate these wires. Can't untangle them. Decently long, and I'm assuming it goes on with those bits on there. Like, yes, it sticks on perfectly. I'm not going to try it the other way because I'm pretty sure it's this way around. There's nothing more satisfying than staring at a fresh new screen. But of course I should probably go and charge this up, so I'll see you in a bit. So, after a month of using the watch I ordered, not exactly a month, but a period of time, probably 4 weeks, I honestly think that if you're new to the world of smartwatches, I think you should honestly buy it. It hasn't got the most precise measurements. I've probably done more steps than that today. More kilocalories burned, probably travelled further. And the BPM isn't too accurate. The blood pressure is probably not accurate at all, because if a £900 watch can't do it, surely a £30 watch definitely can't do it. But I'd say the blood pressure oxygen is a bit more accurate. The music is probably, I've tested it before, it's not the best. Basically, it should be able to connect to Apple Music if you have an iPhone. I don't think it can connect to Spotify. There are supposedly 24 training modes. I haven't counted them, just from what I read. It keeps switching off. There's a lot of them. I don't often use them. But let's say I was playing some cricket. This one here. I could click on it, it would start, and now it thinks I'm playing cricket. Not counting. If I shake it a bit maybe. Yeah, it's counting me playing cricket, so it knows if I'm actually active or not. The weather? Yeah, I'd say the weather's pretty accurate. I often check it before I go outside. Sleep, I got more sleep than that, don't worry. It's not the best. Messages, I'm not showing you, but you can receive messages on it. Stopwatch, you'll know what a stopwatch does. Find my phone. iPhone was found. Nice, it works. And there's settings. Change brightness for this. I'm going to turn it all the way up. You can reset it, but I'm not going to reset it. You can turn it off. I'm also not turning it off. And I honestly think it probably was worth the money. I use it for basic use, and I'd say it fits pretty well for most wrist sizes. Unlike the things I'd heard about the Apple Watch and the Galaxy Watch and the Google Pixel Watch, I don't know its actual name, I heard that their screens don't fit small wrists. So if you have a small wrist and you're new to the smartwatch world, get one of these. They don't officially have a name, they just pair to the Glory Fit app, which I will show you right now. iPhone was found. So this is the layout. I also did not get 4 hours and 5 minutes of sleep, and my average heart rate is 77 apparently. My minimum was 54 today, and I don't, as I said before, it's not the most accurate, but I did a blood test, I did a heart rate pressure checking thing myself, and It's fairly accurate, about 1 or 2 beats off. And yeah, I guess this is pretty accurate. Oh, yesterday it dipped. Whatever hypoxia means, I don't know. I don't really check my blood pressure. Let's check it now, see how quickly it sinks. Might say it's checking on the phone. Taking its time. You can see that, oh, yep, it sinks really quickly. I don't even know what that means, that number. And let's move on to sport. Walking, a number. Running, a number. I do not use a treadmill very often. I do not cycle very often. Device. These are customized to how I feel. Sedimentary reminder will remind me, you can change it. How long is not active? It will no longer check how long is active. And you click on it to change how long is not active. You could say 3 hours was not active, but for me, I would choose 45 minutes or 60 minutes. And they'll ask me why it says yes. Yes is an interesting word to use, but I would preferably do confirm. Probably because it's translating Chinese to English all the time. And why it says open or closed. Closed means it's not enabled. Opened means it is. Let's take light up, for example. It's opened, so when I lift it up, it's going to light up. But let's say I disabled that. If I lift up, it's not going to switch on. Well, the GloryFit watch is good, I would say. But if you have the budget, get an Apple Watch.